Bottles elevator, hold 300 to 400 PCS bottles. Bottle unscrambler, sort and feed bottles automatically, more than 99% accuracy. Guide rail, stable smooth, do not pour bottle. SUS316L filling parts, sensor checking, no bottle no filling. Caps feeding vibrator, sort and feed caps automatically. Mechanical arm suck cap on bottle, more stable, high accuracy. Upgrade capping, fit for all kinds of eliquid cap, V2, V3 or others. Finished bottle out for next station. Separated bottles automatically, prevent bottle blocking. 3 rolls fixed position, high accuracy for half label and full wrap around label. Collecting bottles automatically. Finished samples with high accuracy, loved by customer. Contact us, get more details and best price now.